Hey everyone, this is Steve Molen and Craig Brasington with Clinicient. We're talking, and I know Craig's really passionate about this idea of, do you have an integrated system or do you have one system? One of the things I love about our product, and I'm by no means the expert, is really that it is just one database and everything flows from patient to payment all the way through the same application. And it creates a tremendous opportunity to keep data in sync, because it's just one piece of data. And Craig, I know that it's really a passion of yours. Why did we originally make that decision, and what do you think some of the advantages are?
Yeah, it's one source of truth. It's one record about a patient from the beginning when you first contacted them to the last dollar that's collected to the billing process. And what that allows you to do with reporting is unparalleled. So you can see a true vision of a patient from where they started to where they've gone. And with an integrated system, you had two silos of information living in two different places, written in two different languages, that took a Herculean effort for engineering to be able to pull information about where a patient sat clinically and then where they finished up financially. So we made the decision to build a single system on one database.
We went to a large client visit, and before they had selected Clinicient, they kept asking me, how often does the data sync? Like, is it instantly? Is it every 5 minutes? Is it every 10 minutes? And I was like, there is no data sync because the data is the data. So if I edit the patient address or the patient name in the billing side or in the front desk or as the therapist, right, it is just one patient. One of the big advantages it's creating for us is really about eliminating some of the manual labor associated with billing. And so while one system provides a lot of benefits, one of the primary things we're doing today is proactively notifying the front desk, the therapist, and different roles in the practice to say, I never want to get a denial. So if I can fix it up front and I can fix it proactively, that's going to create less work for the billing team. And when I think about other advantages of one system like analytics, can you share just a little bit about some of the feedback you hear about our reports and the way that people can dig into data and how they're using data?
Yeah, it's what I hear most frequently is that they just don't understand how the information got from that billing department to that front desk person so quickly, so easily. And it has to do with a platform, a single system platform that allows a series of rules engines that look and speak financially while also looking clinically at that same situation and are able to share the pieces that are important cross organization. It's a holistic look at your company, your clinic, so that you can get the best result out of it. What it does for the reporting engine in the end allows you to see a bigger picture. So I can see several pages of what my clinic has done from every aspect and tie that down to the individual person in my clinic that needs either coaching up because they're struggling or is doing an exceptional job. So I can then use that as an example of what we'll do in the future to promulgate better results.
That's great. And you use the word promulgate, which is always solid.
Yeah.
So, for me, I'm really excited. I think we're at this great moment in time and point of inflection for the company. Customers are seeing tremendous results, tremendous improvement, but really looking at patient to payment. We think about billing is the successful outcome of a great process. Mm-hmm. It starts with the patient, with the referral, and carries all the way through until you get paid. And I think managing that effectively in one centralized application is a core competency of Clinicient, and it's really what we're doing to help our customers be successful. Craig, any additional comments? I know how excited you are about what we're doing and how it's working.
Yeah, technology is something that I tend to geek out a little bit, certainly when it comes to kind of rectifying what has always been an assumption out there that the integration is the answer, and it hasn't been. That's what we thought in 2003 when we first did it, and found out very quickly that integration isn't the answer. It's a single system. It is one record, one source, one true record of truth about that patient. So it's where we've come from over those years, and very happy to be here.
Perfect. Well, Craig and Steve, want to thank you very much for your time. I hope this information is valuable and look forward to talking again in the future.